Recording in progress. So today is Sunday, the 28th December 2025. Today is the last Sunday call of this year. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? Looking forward to 2026. And, and the topic today is 5 elements of intimacy. We had the topic last time, intimacy. And today, let's in detail talk about the elements that we talked about last time. And all the DJCCs and all the pest juniors that we functioned from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, BCs, patients, and beyonds. There are 3 people. What is it? Okay. So, what do you know about intimacy now that we've done one full session on intimacy already? So, what do you guys know? What do you know what intimacy is? I can't. Is Param here? Shmona's here. Param is here. So why are they asking me again and again to make them and make you guys enter?
Good morning, Kamal. Yeah, I'm very much there.
Yeah, now I can see it. So what are the 5 elements of intimacy? Trust, honor,
Vulnerability,
vulnerability, wow,
allowance,
allowance,
gratitude,
gratitude, wow. So these are the elements. And what do we know about trust? Let's take trust first. What's trust to you? What does trust mean to you, guys?
we know that the person will be with us forever, will be with us, support us, and will do anything for us.
Really? Is that the meaning of trust?
Yeah. At least
Anybody
we'll
else?
listen.
Anybody else? What is trust? What is the meaning of trust?
To rely on somebody.
What is the dictionary meaning of trust? Let's see. I am going to Google it.
in Hindi,
Jatinder,
Vishwas,
Trust.
Jatinder wants to join. She's waiting.
Okay, just tell her to click again, please.
Jatinder and Hina both.
Can you write it in the group for them to ask them to click again?
Yeah.
I don't know how to. If I don't see their name, then I can't admit them. How to admit them? Okay, let me see. I don't have the request here. Okay, Sandhya and Vijay. I don't have her request. Maybe now I found. Okay, maybe. Awesome. Admitted them.
Hello.
Okay, welcome, all of you. So we were talking about, good morning. We were talking about trust, right? 5 elements of trust. And the 5 elements of intimacy, sorry. The first one is trust. So asked what is the meaning of trust, and Revati said that it is something that you rely on, somebody you rely on. Anybody else? What, according to them, what is the meaning of trust?
Someone trusting self, कहते हैं विश्वास, trust, yeah. Trusting self on somebody तो बाद में आता है.
Yeah.
Not trusting self and seeking validation.
Okay, cool. So I said, let me take out the meaning in the Google. What is trust? It says firm belief in the reliability, trust or ability of someone or something.
Not self है.
Okay, then it says, belief in reliability, trust or ability. Okay. So in Access, or what Gary thinks about it, is trusting, is knowing it's time to start trusting what you know.
Yeah.
So when you look at somebody, what do you get? That if I ask this person for something, let's take a simple example. If I ask this person for something, will he or she deliver? Would you be willing to acknowledge that you are an infinite being and you would know exactly what that person would deliver or not? That is trust. Not working it out in your head that if I ask, that person will do what I ask them to do. That is not trust. Knowing that the other person will only deliver what they want to deliver, not what you want to deliver. If a person is a liar and you tell that person, please don't lie, and then you say, I trust him not to lie again, that is stupidity. Am I making any sense?
Yes.
We want the world to be based on trust. That is why we get fucked up. We believe that what I say, the other person will do, rather than asking a question coming from that knowing that this person is not going to do it or this person is going to do it. How often have you told your partner, very simple question that, or the thing that comes up always is never to put the towel on the bed. And then you trust him that he will not do it next time. Trusting is knowing that he will do it anyway. He will do it exactly what he does until he himself changes it. Is that any clearer? What contribution is trusting you to your life, your living, your reality, your body? What contribution is not trusting you to your life, your living, your reality, your body? Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? All right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, bad, bases, questions, and beyonds. Do you trust that you create greater when you are at ease, when you're happy, when you're enjoying what you're doing? Do you trust yourself with that? Or you say, no, I will do it no matter what, even if I hate doing it. Start trusting yourself. You will do exactly what you desire to do, not what you have forced yourself to do. We force
Good
ourselves.
morning, sir.
Yes,
Good morning, sir.
Revati, you want to say something?
Good morning, sir. Oh, thank you so much for your blessings.
Can I mute you, darling?
Yeah, please mute.
So, it's Revati's birthday today, so she'll be getting phones. We don't
Happy
even trust our...
birthday, Revati. Happy birthday to you.
She's on the phone. So, so we don't even trust ourselves. We force ourselves to do things that we do not trust ourselves to do them well. How about asking somebody who can do those things better than you? We would rather suffer than acknowledge rather than generating everything we really desire, we really want to have, regardless of anything. We would do whatever we want, even if we don't get the money, if we really desire to do it. Am I saying something that's relating or something that is making any sense? No?
We are true. We are
Yes.
true. That's true.
So, what would your life be if you had trust in yourself and trust in your knowing that whatever the other person, and you will trust that person for exactly what you know they will be able to do? What would your life be like then? So, everywhere we are choosing to create the lack of trust in us, that we are an infinite being and we know exactly if this person will deliver what I want them to do. That is trust. Trusting the other person will deliver exactly what they will deliver. Wouldn't the life be much easier? We have to cut off our awareness to have lack of trust in us or in others. I'm saying this, and this time I've really made that person realize that they are wrong, and then they will now do what exactly I want them to do. Sorry, it's not going to work. You wouldn't be here today if you didn't know something was true for you. Yet we try to doubt ourselves, vilify ourselves, make ourselves wrong. Why would that ever be an appropriate choice? You got to trust you. The moment you trust you, you would know exactly if this person can deliver, if you can deliver what you require. You are the one. You are the ones that are going to know what's going to change things. Not anybody else. No, no Shakti, no Kali, no Shiva, no. You. You are the one. Start looking at what is real. Start functioning from questions. Start asking, hey, will this person deliver what I want? Is he capable? He or she is capable? What is going to make my life better? Depending on somebody, relying on somebody? Oh, you don't have to trust you if you don't want to. You choose to trust you. From deep down knowing that that will work. Everybody clear about trust? Or not? Or any other question you have before we go to honor? Yeah, there are so many people here and nobody wants to. Oh my God, I forgot to
Yes,
put it
clear.
on Instagram.
यूट्यूब पे भी नहीं है कमल, यूट्यूब पे भी नहीं है।
YouTube पे क्या नहीं है?
लाइव आता है ना।
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ। यूट्यूब पे तो लाइव नहीं आता पर इंस्टा लाइव पे लाइव आता है। वेरी फनी आई एम। आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू डू इट। Okay, here we go. We are live on Insta Live. And how does it get any better than this?
So, Kamal, if someone break your trust once, so you're
No,
not
no, what do you
supposed
mean?
to.
What do you mean break your trust? What do you mean break your trust? What do you
Okay.
exactly mean by that, breaking your trust? Who can break your trust? If you're functioning from knowing that this person will exactly do what they want to do, not what you want them to do. So you are breaking
Oh,
your own trust.
yes. Okay.
You are breaking your own trust, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
We are live on Instagram and we are live on Facebook. How does it get any better than this?
How good. How did we got so lucky to have you? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Huh, Sandhya? So we say that, oh my God, that person broke our trust. Now, from starting today, you would know that it was futile to ask this person to do what I knew deep down that that person will never do it. Be honest with yourself, brutally honest. When you ask somebody to do something, you have it in your mind that this person will not do it, and that person will never be able to do it. One is your projection about it. One is your experience that you've always had with that person, that that person will never deliver what you asked them to deliver. And still, you don't trust yourself and ask the person again to do something for you, knowing very well that they will not be able to do it. So who are you trusting? Not trusting yourself.
Hoping, just
Yeah,
hoping to do.
hoping. Oh my God, that doesn't really work. Trusting that this person will exactly do what they've always been doing till they feel that they need to change and do something different.
Yeah.
The moment you say, oh, I feel I can't trust this person, that is your knowing. Or this person will deliver what I want them to deliver. So ask a question. If you don't get the clarity, ask, hey, if I ask this person, who will be able to deliver what I'm asking for? And the person will pop up. And then ask, hey, if I give this job to this person, will this person deliver? And you get a yes, go for it. We let people take advantage of us. Oh, I'm so glad you are in my life. I know you will do what I want you to do. And then who gets hurt? You.
Mm.
Making
People pleasing?
sense?
Yeah. People pleasing.
Sorry?
People pleasing.
Yeah. All kinds of it.
Nowadays, I don't feel any hurt for anything.
You
After I've come
nobody,
to Access,
it's not
I
about
only
feeling. You are not choosing it.
correct.
You're not choosing to be hurt by people's frivolous, stupid, right? You know better.
Hmm. I've only asked this question, what is right about this?
Yeah, what's right about this? What's the gift in this? There could be some
Yeah.
gift in this. You've been asking for something that you have not acknowledged,
Hmm.
even in your thoughts.
Yeah. A lot of things happens every day
Yeah,
where you can get hurt easily at the drop of the hat.
yes. We have to honor the energy, honor
Hmm.
our knowing,
Hmm.
honor ourselves. You are infinite being, and you honor yourself. That, oh my God, I always know exactly what's going to show up.
Yeah.
And you will never falter.
Hmm.
Okay, just something very funny is coming up. We honor our bills. Don't we all honor our bills? Always
Yeah.
trying to get money to pay your bills.
Hmm.
Always focused on bills rather than having a life. If you are
Yes.
good at honoring your bills, then you get more bills.
Hmm.
So there is a tool I can give you that whenever you pay your bills,
Hmm.
ask every penny that you pay for anything in your life, for clothes, for your food, for your shoes, for repairing the house, for whatever. Ask every penny that you pay to come back to you tenfolds, million folds. When you're willing to have paying your bills with ease, all of a sudden the bill begin to disappear. We put so much of energy on the bills that they keep popping up. Because wherever you put your energy, you create more of that. Oh my God, I hate to pay the bills. You give the message to the universe that you don't have enough money to pay the bills. So your money flow dries up.
So, Kamal, that is not honor,
That is not
honoring. When we are
honoring the
focused,
bills, honoring you, isn't it honoring you? Isn't it diminishing you by oh, I don't have the money. Oh, you are an infinite being.
so honoring and
Have you never paid?
diminishing,
Have you ever once in your life not paid any bill? No, you've always
yeah,
paid.
yeah. But what I'm
You always
asking,
have the 1 minute. You always have the money to pay your bills. So isn't it dishonoring of you by telling yourself all the time, oh my God, I don't have money to pay the bills?
Yeah, dishonoring, no. But I said this is not honoring.
It is. What
This
is
is
the opposite of honoring? If you were honoring you, and if you knew you are an infinite being, you will always create and always pay, would you be dishonoring you by saying, I don't have the money?
No, if you don't honor, you don't pay at all, actually.
Yeah.
Because you're honoring, you're paying.
Yes, you're paying. Are you paying with love and joy, or are you paying with the? And it's the energy that matters. What energy are you paying with? Are you cribbing? Are you crying? Or is your only honor, maksad, only intention of your life is to whatever may, I will always pay. I will always honor the bills. Yes, you will get more of them. If you had no point of view, you knew, deep down you knew you've always paid, you will always pay. And whenever you pay, you say, hey, go have fun, money, go give fun wherever you are being and come back to me a million times. Money likes to play, money likes to have fun. We in this reality get awkward when we have to pay somebody, or when we have to ask somebody, or when we have to receive a payment. You have to be willing to present a bill. You have to be willing to ask for the money that you know that you deserve. Am I making any sense, guys?
Yeah, it's true.
So then the second thing is that you have to honor yourself by keeping 10% aside.
There is a point.
10% of every penny that comes into your house, into your bank, into your purse, into your life, as an honoring of you, or any other extra money. 10 is the minimum. And by 6 months, end of 6 months, your reality of money will change. You will have money. The having money concept is not on the planet. We know how to create money, we know how to spend money. We don't know how to have money. If everybody had money lying, not to be spent, had money for honoring of them, or the honoring of the church, you honor church, or churches and gurdwaras and mandirs are always full of money. They keep growing because you're honoring them. Everything you buy, say, will you make me money? Even the molecules in the universe will support you in making money. When you don't ask the molecule, that is the other way, you refuse money. When you're not asking for more money, when you're adjusting all the time with whatever money do you have, are you honoring the infinite being that you have, the abundance that is all around in the world? It's for you. The universe was created and then you were created. When you have all these elements of allowance, honor, vulnerability, gratitude, trust for you, that's the relationship you have to have with yourself. You trust yourself, you trust your knowing that this is what you have to, this is what is you have to do for you, to honor you, whether anybody else approves it or not. Honoring yourself is never making yourself wrong. That's an interesting point of view you have. That you have to need. There's somebody on Insta Live is saying, we need to work hard for money. Interesting point of view. You have that point of view. How many people you know in the world who just have money? They don't even work hard. Money is just pouring on them. I have one friend, he says, Chitra makan paise pende hai. I don't know if you understand what I said. Like money is falling on him like slippers hitting him. Are you willing to have that? It's the choice that you have to make. If you're not willing to have the money, you can't have it. If you say it's hard work, you have to work hard for it. Your point of view creates your reality.
Mm.
Whatever do you want to give name for? I have a request. I have a suggestion. Would you like to, from today, every time that thought comes to you that money is hard to make, say, no way, no way, no more. I'm giving that thought, I'm giving that point of view off. And now, universe, show me what else is possible with money in my life. What else is possible with money in my life? Just that one sentence. And that one sentence about hard, you are going to eliminate from your life. How do you eliminate? By not giving it energy, by not repeating it to yourself, by saying bye-bye to it every time it comes. Are you willing to do that? Just a little bit.
Yes. Yes, we will do it.
And see the change in your financial reality. We are the one who are creating our financial reality.
Thank you so much for bringing this up.
Yeah, thank you for this. Is some person on Insta Live. The name Yash. I don't know. Am I pronouncing it right? Anyway, so please, please, please never ever say that again. Always, when it comes to you, say bye bye, no more. I'm not buying that. I'm not buying that it's hard work. I see so many other people have lots of money. I'm going to honor myself. I know I'm an infinite being. I can have everything as much as I desire. Where am I stopping my inflow? And starting today, universe, can I have more, please? Can I have more, please? That's all. I don't have, you can't say. You don't have the luxury to say, I can't have, I don't have enough. Because that's what the
No
universe is
negativity.
going to give you, not enough. Yes, somebody was saying something?
No negative words.
Yeah. So, next is vulnerability. Vulnerability is never putting up barriers to everything you are and seeing the good, bad, and the ugly of you in totality.
Yes.
Being vulnerable is like a wound, not hiding. They say you are as sick as your secrets. Being vulnerable is such a seductive energy. People just drawn to you. When people are secretive and manipulative is not a wrong word, but it can be used. Every word has how you use it becomes the energy of it. So if you are using all that to hide, the other person gets you always get that this one is lying. There is a flashlight here. Well, liar, 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 or hide, secret, secret, secret. You always know. Please start trusting yourself. Never, like we said about trust, that always know exactly what's going on, not what you're supposed to. Anybody else here thinks vulnerability in a different way? We've been told don't wash your dirty labor. No, I'm not telling you to go and tell every whole world what's going on in your house. What I'm telling you is not to hide. If it is required, ask a question. Will sharing this secret of mine here create greater? Go for it. Vulnerability is never putting up barriers to perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving anything from the person you're with or any place else. It's like an open wound. It's the ability to be totally present without any point of view. When you put up barriers, are you being vulnerable? You have already decided that I will not tell this person this thing. And you think the other person is not an infinite being? They exactly know what's going on in your life. Don't you always know exactly what's going on in other person's life, even if they're not telling you? And vulnerability with yourself, please start from there. Never putting up barriers to who you truly are. How often do you put barriers to who you truly are? You portray an image that you are not. If you were totally vulnerable with yourself, you would never put up the barriers to send any part of to seeing any part of you. You will see yourself honestly as you are and own and acknowledge that. The good, bad, and the ugly. Most of us spend a whole life trying to prove how good we are, while beating ourselves up to show how bad we are to ourselves. People pleasing, somebody said here.
So, Kaval, here vulnerability would be discussing your even breakdowns.
No, I
with others.
told you in the beginning, it's not about talking about yourself, but it's not hiding. If something comes up, you ask a question. Will sharing this create greater? And then don't hide it. Don't make it a secret. But don't go and stand on top of the roof and talk about it too.
But something in life you would like to something keep secret about yourself. So is that
Why
wrong?
why would you want to do that?
Just because I don't want to share it, it's okay.
Why? What are the reasons? What is the underlying point of view that you don't want to share that thing?
Like I feel I don't know what type of energy would I get when I'm sharing it.
So, could you ask a question before sharing it? You always know it. If you get contracted, then there are lots of points of views there that you don't want to do that. You are lying to yourself, maybe.
Yeah. Thank you.
You got to get. We all got to get. We are liars. We are liars to ourselves. We are never honest to ourselves. Lying for you is being willing to tell the person what they want to hear, not what you want them to hear. Manipulation is telling them what they want to hear, not what you want them to hear. You cannot manipulate someone from behind the barrier that you are putting up. Only with no barriers can you see exactly what they are willing to hear. We create these barriers with such intensity that we separate ourselves from everybody. Could an infinite being have boundaries? A brilliant question to wonder. This reality has this defect. Oh, sorry. Yes, Sandhya, go for it.
Why should we we be like an open book? Why should we tell everything?
I never said that.
People judge.
I never said that you have to. Did I?
No, that's what. No. You haven't said that. But sometimes we just what Mamta, yeah, whatever, whoever she told, he want to keep some secrets. Yeah, I think secret is it's good for people not judging us, not criticizing, or not thinking, oh my God, what she's doing up to. Like, I just don't want to be judged.
Sandhya, you already judging yourself by hiding that, whatever that is. You always have
Okay.
million points of view. You're always making you wrong or somebody else wrong for hiding something. You're the defense system that we have in this reality.
Mm-hmm.
What is that for? It's for stopping you and not letting anybody truly touch you. Then you say you don't have anybody in your life.
No, I have, but I don't want to let people know everything to every people. I don't
No,
want
I'm
to.
not
Suppose आप
saying,
चीज
I
का
never said even
okay.
once that you have to tell everything to everybody.
हाँ.
But if you just stop there, or you do give an image of what you are. Do you portray outside who you are, or you are just you? Truth.
Yeah.
You are just
I
you
am.
always.
No. Not
So
always.
when you're not being you, who are you being?
हाँ.
Who are you being?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Brilliant question to ask. Who am I being if I'm not being myself? If I'm hiding, if I'm keeping any secret, who am I being? You're being what you've decided is wrong or right or good or bad or ugly about you or not you, about the other person. You always have million points of views about who you are. That is why you don't show up as who you are. You always portray something that you are not.
Okay.
Is that working?
People,
Is that the life
yeah,
that you would
people,
like to have?
no, but people, I just don't want to show my financial reality to them.
Is your financial reality bad or good?
In my world, I'm happy. It's good.
So, by not telling people
We are
where
working.
you are, by not telling people where you are, am I muted? There's somebody who's saying I'm muted. Can you hear me? Yash?
Yes.
Yes.
So, I don't know why it's written that the voice is, I guess you're muted. No, I'm not muted. Okay. Anyway.
Just to rejoin.
Mhm.
Okay. So, it's okay. Sandhya, what was the question? Oh my God, where was I?
My financial
Your
reality is
money. Okay.
yeah.
So when you don't want to tell people that you have money, what is the
No,
underlying
no.
point of view there?
It's not like I have money, but we are working hard to meet the joints and be happy with that. When people get to know, कि, oh my God, and they have the expectations, they'll do this for us,
Okay, can
she'll
I
do
give you
this for me.
can I suggest something?
Yeah, yes.
What if you showed off? What if you showed them that you had more money than you have? What will happen?
I just said they will expect, oh, she'll do this for us.
Yeah,
They'll
that
do
is
this.
why you're
Mhm.
hiding. That's the point of view,
Yes.
that you think people will take money from you,
Not
that you
Exploitation.
will
money.
have to give them money.
Not like that.
And also
Like what?
exploitation.
Be honest with yourself. You're not even being honest here. How are you going to be honest in
No,
the world out there with 10 people? You're not being honest.
no. It's not like they will take money from me,
So, what
but
is it? Come out with it. There is something there. There's an energy there that is not, that's a lie. That's not truth.
mhm.
So, what is that energy? Why would I flaunt? I tell everybody I'm a rich bitch. Because when I tell somebody I'm a rich bitch, when I flaunt my money, when I drive around and in lovely clothes, people say, "Oh my
Mhm.
God, this woman 76 doing so great." What is the universe listening to? Universe has to
Blessing.
provide that to me. So
Yeah.
thank you very much to all those people who think I'm a rich bitch.
Yes,
Mm.
yes, yes. That's my point of view.
When you're hiding, when you're not showing up what your true honor and trust is, then the world, then the universe is hearing, let's not give it to her. She's okay. She doesn't want more.
I
My
don't know, but
money
I have
reality is
moments.
growing. My money reality is going like no man's business just because people say she's awesome, she's rich. She
I have moments. Not.
every molecule then has to provide me with more money.
Oh, wow. This is so
Oh,
beautiful.
yes,
Everywhere any one of you is doing that, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate? Or right on, good,
Yes.
bad,
yes,
positive?
yes,
Oh, we are already done and
yes,
there is allowance. Allowance is
Yes.
everything they say or do is just an interesting point of view. कुछ भी कोई कर रहा है, आप कर रहे हो रहा है दुनिया में, आपके घर में, is just an interesting point of view. It should not have anything to do with you. Don't go into your head and making stories about it and doing exactly what this world does. You do not have to align with any point of view or resist or react. Nor do you have to do this with your point of view. Your points of view are also interesting point of views. Oh, it's an interesting point of view that I don't want to tell people that I'm making money. What if your life was not created based on what you have common with people, but in allowance of everything they are and being grateful for them? When you look at somebody who's stingy, aren't you grateful that I'm not? If you look at somebody who's lying, aren't you grateful that you are not? Allowance does not require solidity, judgment does. The last is gratitude, guys. The gratitude, I just use this word and my whole body is like connected to each and every molecule on the planet, in which you are grateful for everything that comes into your life. People, places, things, plants, animals, birds, trees, everything that comes, that adds to your life. That the sun, this gratitude is the place where you're grateful to the people showing up in your life, even if they are not what you would like them to be. What's the gift in them being in your life? They push you to the corner to choose something greater always. You create a better you choose a better you. So they are there for that purpose. Grateful for having them anytime that you have them, with no judgment. Gratitude is another word for love. Love has a definition according to people. There are billion people, there are million definitions of love. But gratitude is what love actually is, if you're grateful for people with you. Gratitude can only exist without judgment. And the first step is to have gratitude for yourself. If you can have that, you can have communion. If you don't have it for you, you cannot have it for anybody else. If you don't have it for you or for totally for you, you have to judge you and judge everybody else. Be grateful. Be grateful in totality for the things you have in your life, for the things you have accomplished, for the things that are coming into your life, for the things that you can perceive, that you're open, you're present with. You're not hiding, for the awareness that you have. Grateful for the fact that you don't have to judge you. Once you do that, you start being an allowance of you. And then it overflows to everyone who touches you, who comes into your world. Every time you judge you, you are not an allowance of you. So everything that brings any kind of energy in your world, say interesting point of view, I have that point of view. Anything that lightens you up is also interesting point of view, I have that point of view. Don't make anything significant. Do not make anything significant if you want to have a life that you have come here to live. You have to have communion with yourself first. Any last question, burning question anybody has before we wrap up? No question?
It's already 9.
I know.
Today's session was very good.
Thank
You brought
you.
up so
Thank
many.
you, Mamta, for reminding, and thank you, Revti, and a happy birthday. Let's wish Revti happy birthday today, guys. It's her
Oh, wow.
birthday today.
Happy birthday, Revti.
Thank you,
Happy
thank you, thank
birthday
you.
to
Birthday
you.
to you.
Thank you
Happy
so much.
birthday.
And let's give her energy for a lovely day and a lovely year ahead. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you so much. How did I get so lucky?
Bye, guys. Bye on Insta
Thank
Live,
you.
people. Thank you. I couldn't even name you. Wow, Neelam Bawa.
Next month.
How lucky did I get to have you here, my love? Thank you so much. I hope you're doing good. We must talk. I'll call. Okay, guys. Bye bye,
Can we
everybody.
continue the
Bye.
same with
Thank you.
so?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome.